In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Brother HLL2365DW printer to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up your Brother machine on a wireless network. So to do this, use the buttons on the machine itself. So when you have located the wireless network settings of your wireless router or access point, you will be able to set them up on your Brother machine. Make sure that your network is good to go and you have full access to the network name and the password. So now connect the power cord to your Brother machine and then connect it to any electrical socket. Make sure that it is turned on. Now press the up or down arrow key on the machine itself until you see network highlighted on this little screen here. Once you see the network option, choose OK. Now, once more, press the up or down arrow key to select WLAN and then press OK. Once you choose WLAN, you should be able to find Setup Wizard. So repeat the same steps, go up or down until you find Setup Wizard. When the question WLAN enable appears, choose yes to enable the wireless network, and this will start the wireless setup wizard. The machine will search for your network and display a list of available network names. When a list of the SSIDs appear, once again press up or down to select the SSID that you wrote down earlier and press OK. Now, you should be able to connect right away if it is an open system. If you are using an authentication and encryption method that requires the network key or password, you will have to enter there and then press OK to apply your settings. Once this is done, the machine will try to connect to the wireless network, and you should actually see a piece of paper being printed with all of the information about the connection there. If it is OK, then you will be good to go. Now, you will be able to visit the official website and download the necessary drivers. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Brother HL-L2365DW printer to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.